In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email alias with a filter and label in Google Workspace. We'll go through the full process in a simple practical way so you can set up a new alias, send messages from it, and automatically organize incoming mail inside Gmail. This is especially useful if you want addresses like sales or support to land in one main inbox while still staying neatly separated. First, sign in to the Google Admin Console. Once you are in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Directory, then choose Users. From there, select the user account that will receive messages sent to the alias. After opening that user, look under the user's name on the left side and click Add Alternate Emails. Now, in the alternate email field, enter the prefix you want to use for the alias, such as sales or support. Then choose your primary domain from the drop-down menu and click Save. At this point, the alias is created, which means messages sent to that address will now arrive in the user's existing mailbox. Next, we will configure Gmail so you can also send and reply using that alias. Open the primary Gmail account connected to the user. In the top right corner, click the gear icon and choose See All Settings. Go to the Accounts tab. Click Add another email address. A new window will appear. Enter the display name you want recipients to see, along with the exact email alias you just created. Make sure the Treat as an alias box remains checked. Then click Next Step. Because both addresses belong to the same Google Workspace account, Google usually verifies the alias right away without needing a separate confirmation code. That makes this part very quick. Now let's organize incoming messages from that alias. Go back into Gmail settings and choose See All Settings again. Open the Labels tab, scroll to the bottom, and click Create New Label. Type the name you want for the label such as Sales Queries and click Create. After that, switch to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab and click Create a new filter. In the To field, enter the full alias email address. This tells Gmail to detect messages specifically sent to that alias. Then click Create Filter at the bottom of the window. In the filter options, check Apply the label and choose the label you just created. If you want these messages to stay out of your main inbox, you can also check Skip the Inbox, which archives them directly under that label. Finally, click Create Filter. And that's it. Thanks for watching.